Let's get right to it. Last night was a shellacking for the Republicans and for Donald Trump. Last night was clear, unmistakable, as a repudiation of Trump and a vindication of what Democrats have been fighting for over the last several months and all year. Americans have been feeling the real-world repercussions of Trump's policies for months. They're having trouble paying their bills. And now this month, as they're getting their health care insurance premium vouchers, they're just scared to death of how they're going to pay it. And they know that Democrats are fighting for them and Republicans are doing nothing to address the health care crisis. And last night, Republicans felt the political repercussions. It should serve nothing short of a 5-alarm fire to the Republicans. Their high-cost house is burning, and they've only got themselves to blame. As loudly and clearly as could possibly be done, from one end of the country to the other, the American people said enough is enough. Enough with Donald Trump's astronomical costs and tariffs. Right now, the president's lawyers are defending these awful tariffs in the Supreme Court. And Americans know that tariffs are a tax on them. They hate them. Maybe the Supreme Court will put Donald Trump out of his misery and declare them illegal because they are illegal. But Trump's tariffs have been one of the biggest hikes on American families in recent years. And of course, the election last night wasn't just about tariffs. The American people said enough with Republicans' relentless attacks on health care. As I said, they're getting these health care vouchers, and then there's a knot in their stomachs. How am I going to pay this? Am I going to do without health care when my children get sick? Americans all over the country are just sitting there and wondering what the heck is going on. And they also said enough with the cruelty, the corruption, the chaos that define MAGA radicalism. When they see that Trump doesn't want to help them with health care or paying for food for needy people, but sending $20 billion to Argentina and saying his most important thing he can do is tear down the wall in the White House, they say, what the heck is going on with this guy? And last night, they showed it.